Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, Wood Studio. It's been a while since we talked last. I've missed all your smiling faces. I miss all you guys. I just wanted to come and do a quick update, let you know what's been going on. So, a couple years ago, we opened the school. That was great. People came here, they took classes. We had a ton of great times. That was awesome. My wife wanted to open up a home and decor store, and wow, no better opportunity than to start building and selling furniture. So that's basically what we did. It closed down the school, started building furniture. With 5 SKUs to start with. Now we've got 10 SKUs in the store, plus there's other stuff in the store as well, not just us. But I just wanted to say hi, tell you what's been going on. That's journey of changing everything and then building furniture, building custom furniture, building small batch furniture. That's what we've been up to. So I just kind of want to walk you through the space, where we're working. You've seen some of this before. So we're here in the shop, and got the hand tool cabinet up here. This is a mirror that broke. I'm trying to get the glass replaced by the guy down the street. I'm going to get that back into my wife's shop. Don't let her know. Here's my bench. Up here, my main bench. My truck's over there. We got a nice light that comes into the studio. Up here we have some cabinets that we've added since the school started now for us. So usually the dovetail lead jig is up there. We've got storage here. The shaper's over here. A small little router table from Katz Moses. And we've got our carts. There's tons of Festool stuff all over the place. Rob is working on a small table right now, so here's all the parts for that. Here's our lumber rack. So we've got horizontal lumber wise, probably, I'd say easily 500 board feet on here right now. Plus, we've got the vertical storage up here as well. This is some stuff from Woodpeckers. This is a quarter sawn ash. I got that because I want to do some seats with it. It was on sale. It's still way too much money, but finding quarter sawn ash is like impossible. We use this wall over here for photos. So we got the backdrop just down right now. And then behind us we have more storage. So a lot of Festool stuff. This is mainly like dominoes here. The machines, we have both the XL and the regular, which we use both. And then the XL is great. We have some knockdown stuff we do with it. And then we are trying to do some knockdown stuff for the DF500 too. So we got the domino stuff here. We got water fountain, eye wash station, more storage of parts and things that we grab regularly for certain pieces of furniture. And then over here we've got our one of our clamp racks. This is all the parallel clamps. Well, not all of them, but this is the majority of our parallel clamps. We've got this clamp rack here, which has a lot of our F-style and quick clamps on it. And then besides my bench, which you may have seen, there is 1, 2, and 3. There's 2 benches right there. So we have 4 benches in total. Gives us a lot of flat surfaces to work on while we're doing building pieces here. So we're usually building multiple pieces at once, usually multiple of the order. So we have inventory, and then I'm doing a project and Rob's doing a project. So we have multiple projects going on at the same time. So you may have seen the shop space before, but if you haven't, here it is. Up on the right as you come out, we've got 2 bandsaws. We've got this Laguna, and then my older Laguna, the 14 SUV, and this 14 BX. We have templates stored over here, as well as up here, the lathe that we almost never use, but when you do need it, it's there. And then, of course, cold beverages and the microwave. You can always see what's going on in the shop in the bench room. We have double glass doors, a lot of drills, sharpening station, storage. We don't use it much anymore. We have the multi-router here, but we're really using instead is the Panther router a lot. We really, both of them are fantastic machines. We've been using the Panther router a lot these days. And then we've got a router table here, same router table I've had like for the past, I don't know, 18, 15 years, whatever. We've got a South Bend 12-inch jointer. Love this machine, it's great. Paired it with a South Bend 20-inch planer, another fantastic machine. And those are connected now to a South Bend, I think it's a 3 or 5 horse dust collector. I don't actually, 3 horsepower dust collector right here. All of our dust collections localized, so the bandsaws have their own dust collection. This has its own, these machines have their own dust collection. We've got one floating here, and this tends to go to all the sanding stations. We have a spindle sander, disc sander, and a belt sander here. Drill press over there. The SawStop industrial table saw is hanging out over here these days. It's got its own, the smaller Laguna P-Flux I've had since we moved to Georgia. Yeah, we got a drum sander we never really use, but it's here. I'm sure I got a project coming up I'm gonna want to use it on. And then we have a chop saw station here, and it's located so that if we need to, we can roll up this door, and then cut longer pieces. I've got to sell this hammer, A331. We don't have a need for it. Don't have a need in my home shop, so I got to get it sold. I just haven't done it. And then upstairs, so as you go up these stairs, we've got storage up here. We don't store anything up there that needs to be in an environment where humidity is not an issue. But just regular storage up there, and then some pipe clamps hanging out over here. So that's pretty much it. I just want to say hi, let you guys know that we're building custom and small batch furniture now and not teaching. It just got really busy, and my wife wanted to open the store as well, so we're doing custom stuff before. I just couldn't say no. So the opportunity was there. I've always wanted to try to just get back into this and have it grow. So that's what we've been doing. Let me know what you've been doing in the comments below. Let me know what you think, what you want us to share with you these days. Because I like to get back into sharing more. I bought this Osmo DJI, whatever it is, 3, so I can film more stuff on a gimbal here in the shop. Let me know. It's been 8 minutes of me babbling. That's it. Hope you guys had a great week in your shop. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you all later. I've missed you. Love you. Bye.